What's up, y'all? It's your boy Shadow Uchiha, and today I got this. The special collector edition that I've been waiting for. Whew. I have to open this up, baby. Bible box. Whew. Let's look at this top. Square Enix is. Oh shoot. Now I don't even want to throw away this box. It says Final Fantasy VII Remake Edition. And it's the play arts. Woo-wee! Dum dum dum. Dum dum dum. Boom boom boom. This is a nice looking box though. Oh my God. I didn't expect it to have a custom play arts on top of it. Boom, baby, boom. Ugh. Oh, wrong side. No, I got it on the right side. Take these parts off. Take these parts off. Add this bad boy. Let's add this bad boy. You see it?
Mm-hmm.
Alright. Oh, we got the plastic on the side. Plastic on the side. Y'all might not know this, but I want to tell y'all a story and how I got into the Final Fantasy series. This on the side is in Japanese. Oh, open it sideways. Look at this. This is my first. Oh God.
Okay.
Cloud. You okay, Cloud? Oh. This is the lovely bad boy ex-soldier and mercenary Cloud Strife. Look at this bad boy. The don't follow me, Cloud. Don't follow me, Cloud. Bike. This is heavy. This is heavy, but it feels so good. Oh, let me not forget the Buster Sword. Ooh. Let's go ahead and put Cloud right there on this bike. Oh God, don't drop, don't drop, don't drop.
That thing don't have a stand on it.
It do have a stand though.
Oh, it does.
It does. Boom.
Oh, that's good. Where the sword at?
I'm getting the Buster Sword.
Into that joint?
Nice little sword.
That joint look nice too.
Got a little weight in that jump too.
Yeah, you can see the detail on it too. It's actually clean. That looks good, right? That looks pretty good.
Spending $400. It better look
How
good.
much it spent?
About $366. Y'all don't need to know that. I just know I works hard for it. Ooh, I don't know what this is for, but I bet you.
I think that's to carry the sword, don't you think?
Look, the instructions right there. I'm gonna read the instructions later on. Boom. Where's the game?
Check inside.
This is the lovely, lovely game. Oh.
Okay. I was gonna say, okay. Yeah, stop the video.
We were like, Square!
Is that all that's in that box?
Huh?
Is that all that's in that box?
Probably not. Let me get the trusty steak knife. The lucky steak knife. Look what I have. You see this, you guys?
What is it? What is it?
Have the Square Enix. I don't know what it is, but I know it's mine. And look, we got here the lovely, lovely game. Let's take a picture. Let's look at. Boom. Let me rip this open. Let me show y'all the back of this game too. Ugh. Ooh, boom, boom, boom. Ooh, this is a nice, heavy. It's heavy. Okay, how we do this? Sideways? Nope. We're going from the top? No, we're going sideways. The game. And feel this. It's heavy. I didn't expect. Well, this is my first time getting a two-disc game for the PlayStation 4. The steel book. You know, I'm keeping this as my main source. The art book. Let's look at some of these pages. We gotta get some. Let's get you in there. Boom. It's in Japanese. I can't read that, but it's in English at the bottom though. So, boom. Look at Cloud. Oh shoot. Adolescent. Look at this nigga Cloud. Look like that as an adolescent. I hope I'm pronouncing that word right.
Probably ain't.
Aerith. As a child, look at Lolly Aerith. She look adorable. And that's Toad. Let's get that badass Tifa. Look at Tifa Lockhart. Boom. She is looking cute. The big bad berry. Boom. Wallace. The NPCs. So we got Biggs, we got Jess, we got Wedge, we got Maul.
Show him, man.
Oh, we got Maul, and we got. How would you pronounce this name?
Zangan.
Zangan. Almost sound like Zangief.
Yeah, I was about to say that too.
Zangief. Mother Russia. We got Elmra. I'm gonna say Elmra, but we got this. The badass, the villainous Sephiroth. Do you got a last name?
Do we?
No,
we don't.
Let's see. We got Scarlet. We got Rufus. Shout out to Rufus. We got. How would you pronounce that name right there? Singing.
Sing.
Yeah,
the T is like silent, I think.
Alright. We got Reno. Alright, we ain't you know Hojo. We got Hojo. You know, we got but let's put this we're gonna just I'm gonna show you guys later on when I actually no, we're gonna continue on with it. We getting actually some novel characters. I never read the novels, but I heard it was good. We got some Evan children's novel characters.
Novels?
Yeah. Alright. I'm gonna show y'all something another time, but right now let's get back to the main honor. This is a real good collector edition. I didn't expect it to be this big, but I just want to say I love this collector edition. If y'all playing Final Fantasy VII, let me know and tell me what chapter y'all guys are at. I'm starting late at night because I just got my package and I can't wait to play and experience the game with y'all. So I talk to y'all guys next time and tell me what y'all like about this collector edition. See y'all guys next time.
Well, and that's it. Action.
You got it?
Yeah.